If you're having a hard time logging into Fortnite on PS5, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch in order to fix it. The first thing you want to do is go to status.epicgames.com, and this is just to check if the Fortnite servers are down or not, because sometimes it might be down and you might need to wait and try again. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and head into the settings and network inside of your internet, and then make sure that your internet is stable and connected. If that is not the case, you might need to restart your console, which might help fixing your temporary glitches. All you need to do is press and hold the PS button on your controller. And once you've done that, select power and then choose restart PS5. Finally, once you've done that, if that is not the case, you might have a system software update. Simply go ahead and head into your settings, system, and then go for system software updates. Again, if that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and clear cache and rebuild database. I've made a separate video on this. You can also go ahead and try logging out and logging back in, or even checking for update for the game. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.